In this video, we are going to fix the 0x80072f05 Windows Update error in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft or the Windows Store cache. How we can do that? You need to navigate here at the search box, type for WS reset. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best matched here, which is the WS reset run command. Click on this forward arrow key here, and then please click on open to proceed. So the moment you click on it, wait until you would be able to successfully reset the Windows Store cached. And once you are done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the second solution. The second solution would be you need to set the time as well as the time zone automatically. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, you need to proceed here at the left pane, find for an option which is the time and language. Click on here and then you need to navigate here at the date and time, click on that. And then under the date and time, you'll see there set time zone automatically and set time automatically. So navigate to the switch here and turn it on. Once done, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution. The next solution would be you need to disable or enable, disable the proxy disable proxy manually. And then you need to set the proxy to automatically detect settings. So by that, you need to open again the settings, and from that, you need to navigate to the network and internet, find for proxy here. Sorry, let me just click on this backward arrow key here, and let me just proceed to the proxy. So you'll see there manually proxy setup. Please ensure that it is being off here, and then automatically detect settings. Please ensure it is being on. Once done, close the window and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the last solution. But before that, I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you've copied that, you need to navigate here at the search box and type for PowerShell. Once you've typed that, you'll see a best matched here, which is the Windows PowerShell. Please go with the right side and click on Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window, and you need to copy and paste this command. So Control C to copy, and then by here at the Windows PowerShell, make sure that it is being ready before we proceed. Make a right click and then click on the enter key and then wait until it would be done. Once you are done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.